Hello, in this video we're going to do a Solow growth problem, trying to find the steady state capital labor ratio and real GDP or real output per worker when given the following information. So we got the per worker production function, we have the saving rate in the economy, we have the depreciation rate, and we have the population growth rate. So once again our information, and we'll start with this key condition, that the change in capital equals investment minus the depreciation rate plus the population growth rate multiplied by the capital labor ratio. Key condition for the steady state capital labor ratio is that the change in capital is 0. So we're going to set the left-hand side equal to 0, and we're going to recognize that investment is the saving rate. This is investment per worker, is the saving rate times the income or output per worker. And then everything else is unchanged. And making our substitutions now, S is 0.42. For Y, we plug in the per worker production function. And D and N, plug those results in. And now it's a matter of solving this for K, the capital labor ratio. Moving some things around, and now dividing by 0.28, dividing both sides of the equation by 0.28. We're left with this result. Just rewriting our last result, and now simplifying the left-hand side. Now dividing everything through by k to the 1/3 power. Raising both sides of the equation to the reciprocal of 2/3, or 3/2. So 2/3 times 3/2 is just 1, so we're just left with k here. And 1.5 raised to the 3/2 power is 1.837. So that is our steady state capital labor ratio. And we can take that 1.837 and plug it into our per worker production function, and we get output per worker, or real GDP per capita, of 1.225.